This is an inspirational story called Law of Nature. Once upon a time, a river was full of different creatures. Sometimes the river is dry and sometimes the river is full of water. Now, these creatures knew by instinct when there would be drought and when there would be rain. Then one day, there was a drought in sight. So, most of the creatures left the river and went to the green grass. But the tortoise did not leave the river. He said, "I was born here and my parents lived here too, so I can't leave this river." When the river dried up, the tortoise buried itself in the ground. Then one day, a potter came to get soil. His spade hit the tortoise. The tortoise shouted, "Ouch! I made a mistake while staying here. It's no longer a safe place. It's useless to stick to things. One has to move on in life." With that, he ran as fast as he could. Moral of the story: change is a law of nature. We must accept this law. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and the notification bell for new updates every week.